Stocks on the deep. We have SNTG, PTNM, TOP, ZENV, QMMM, SAIH. We'll begin with SNTG, down 33.75%. Intraday high on Monday, the 8th, $12.7. So underlying trend is a strongly bullish one, even though it doesn't look that way. It doesn't appear as such. Look at what we have here. This would tell you 7.31 of the last 7.31% gain since the last 1 year. All the other ones, of course, in triple digits. So the stock is contracting this massive expansion that um, reached the highs of 6.81. What do we have here? Yeah, so this is intraday high, but it is not where it closed. It closed at 6.81. So that's what's being contracted. That expansion still contracting it after how many days now? This is the third straight day of losses on the stock. So lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till tomorrow the 12th, and then by Monday the 15th might get a bounce that may remain in place up till Wednesday the 17th. Then after that, another leg down again. No guarantee that that will be the case. If we don't have upper projections here, we can try and find out what they were earlier on. We have 3.35, $4, 4.40. Indeed, 12.7 it is an upper projection, and indeed is even this closing price on Monday is equally an upper projection. Not if you've been at projection, but it is a resistance. Upper projections are resistances calculated, but this closing price, it is equally an upper projection established by price action. Yeah. So we haven't found any news behind SNTG's current performance, even the spike on Monday. There might be some news, but I don't have that off head now. Next is PTNM. PTNM down 27.84%. Intraday high in this session, yes, $12.94. Okay, not enough data has been around that long. Continued to okay. We had an uptrend. It had been in an uptrend. It has been in an uptrend, still in an uptrend since late August. Since late August, price pressure momentum is very strong. Yeah, even with this decline of 27.60%. Yeah, a lot of buying has occurred, so it hasn't been swayed. Selling pressure has not kicked in yet. So for SNTG, you need to be aware. It's also let's see what we have here. For SNTG, it's incorporated in one of those jurisdictions you need to be very much aware of and very much careful about. So let's move on to PTNM. Let's find out more about it. We don't have any news, but we can check here to see if there's any news for PTNM. Okay, it may have been pumped, was it not? Yeah. Okay. Back in August, Edwin Dorsey, author of The Bear Cave financial newsletter, warned about a rash of pump and dump stock schemes being spread through chatrooms and revolving around thinly traded Chinese-based stocks. It looks like their predictions are coming true. Okay, and PTNM is one of them. So just be careful. Just be careful. So we know it's one of those stocks. Yeah, be very careful. Be very careful. Okay. Do we have any projections here? Downward projections. We don't have any. Um, let's quickly look at the 4-hour chart to see if we have downward projections there. Yeah, we have a downward projection here, 1.11. Yeah, I expect even lower prices to print. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have for TOP. TOP is down 20%. Intraday high on yesterday was 3.33. Maybe a case of also correcting that expansion. So, okay, so we expect a bounce is extrapolated to occur in this session and remain in place up till tomorrow. And then after that, we might get a further correction that may remain in place up till the 2nd of October. Projections are saying 1.44 downward projection. Let's see, previous downward projections, we had 1.05, 1.07, 1.1, 1.14, 1.15, 1.18, $1.2. Intraday high 3.33. Yeah, let's see what we have. Price pressure momentums. Okay, still bullish because it's been on and up. Yeah, they started to pump the stock from Monday the 8th of, yeah, Monday this week. So they pumped it for how many trading sessions? 3 trading sessions. So yeah, momentum is still there. Still, yeah, momentum is still there. The buying pressure, the amount of buying is such that even with a loss of 20% today hasn't changed the trend on the stock. The trend on the moving averages, they're still bullish. So be very careful. Be careful with these stocks. Let's have a look at ZENV. ZENV down 21.37. Underlying trend is bullish. Lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday the 15th. Then after that, we might go into a consolidation, and then the uptrend may resume again. No guarantee that that will be the case. We'll have 1.75, 1.87, 1.95. Intraday high yesterday 1.85. Intraday low 1.31. Downward projections. Yeah, this sort of 1.13, the lowest we have here. CENV, let's find out. For TOP, TOP is, yes, one of those companies as well. Let's see where ZENV lies as well. Okay, this is a Brazilian one. Okay, yeah, you may still be careful as well. Okay, so we move on to QMMM, quite popular this week. Yeah, down 18.68%. Yeah, they pumped it all the way to 303 dollars from the lows of $5 or thereabouts. So yeah, still contracting that expansion. QMMM. Yeah, still contracting that expansion. Price pressure momentum still bullish because it was an immense expansion. So even with 3 days of weakness, yeah, this is the second day of losses. Still, the 10 and 21-day moving averages are still trending positive bullishly. They're still trending strongly. So, but it does mean that you should buy this dip. You shouldn't buy it. Don't get caught up in this. Yeah, I can see that 3,985%, 1,391% over the last 1 year. No projections here. 2.4. Okay, 2.45. It's a downward projection. Yeah, 2.45. Yeah, I won't bet against. I won't bet against that downward projection. Okay, let's see what we have next. SAIH down 10.43%. Okay, intraday high yesterday was $12. I think it's also a case of trying to contract expansion here. So, however, it's saying that it may still remain strong up till Friday. That's yeah tomorrow, and then by Monday the contraction may remain in place, may kick in, and then remain in place. Okay, well, actually, it's saying that the contraction will continue up till tomorrow the 12th, and then remain in place up till Friday the 19th when we may bounce and resume the uptrend and may peak by Friday the 3rd of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 13.39. Do we have intraday high here? $12. Sort of validating this intraday high that printed yesterday. Okay, setting price pressure momentums are still trending on the 10. Yeah, the price pressure moment, the 10 and 21-day moving averages are still in strong trend modes. However, they have negative derivatives indicating that, it has just validating that it has lost some, validating this loss of 10.43% we have here. And that also indicating that there's a good chance lower prices may continue to print, and there isn't any support, no support available at the moment. The support is weakening. Projections go all the way towards 70.57 previous projections. Let's see what we have for SAIT. Yeah, indeed. Okay, it's a US company, but doesn't mean that they're not going to manipulate some US companies as well. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.